Hey there, YouTube. Yeah, this is video number 2. For someone who had no idea what to talk about, I'm definitely finding a lot to talk about. I want to talk about what I started talking about, at the end of the last vid. Story. Stories, even the science fiction stories, they're a reflection of the time we live, the consciousness that we live in. So, stories like Avatar, that consciousness has to exist on this planet for that story to be written. And all those who follow Doctor Who, same thing there. That consciousness of humanity's potential has to exist on this earth for that story to be revealed. And I do believe that we will be as the Doctor. We will learn the art of reincarnation, and it'll be just like breathing. And once we learn that, petty politics and all that garbage, it won't seem as important, because we'll be too busy creating. And we'll just naturally help each other out. We do that now. In the middle of this worst recession ever, Obama's recession, as a lot of people in talk radio is calling it. Even in the midst of that, there are a lot of people that are helping each other out. And that's human nature. And next time you watch a story, whether it be tonight, watch a story, a movie, or read a story, whether it be tonight after this video or whenever, just think about the consciousness that wrote that story. And granted, there are stories that have dark moments in it, but there are also stories that have light within them. Even in the darkest stories, there is still light in the stories. So it's just something to think about the next time that you're watching a story. And especially if it's a story that you really, really like, take another thought and just think about that consciousness. We are heading towards the future that is going to create, new life, new civilizations, new beauty amongst the universe, amongst the stars. We are that people. We do that now. Look at the internet. And all the possibilities that the internet holds. Wait till we have more tools like the internet. Then we'll continue to watch our potential rise. So anyways, just some thoughts on story. And there are a lot of good stories out there. Not necessarily on movies. You can watch independent ones on YouTube. You can get audio stories, audiobooks, either at audiobooks.com or Amazon.com or Audible.com. I like Audible, even though Audible still has yet to do a Linux client, preferably one for Ubuntu, since that's the most popular distro. Audiobooks. There's various artist websites out there who put up their stories on the internet for us to read. You know, when you read an author, you get a glimpse of the consciousness of that author. You know, we are very creative, imaginative beings. We continually create beauty. So anyways, and one day those stories will be true. We'll be doing those things. You know, we'll be creating life among the stars, new civilizations. Anyways, hope you all have a wonderful rainy day. Well, it may not be raining where you are. It's raining here. But it's a beautiful day. Nice and cool. Nice breeze. You know, even the cars on this busy city street just kind of add to the whole scene. So anyways, thank you for watching and listening to me, spending time viewing this video. Stay creative in the magic of life. Thank you.